Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this flexible LED screen, and I've done one of these before from the same brand, but it was a smaller one, so we're going to check out the bigger one here and see what it is here. So inside here we have our accessories. I'll put it here in my car and hopefully it won't all fall off. But you can see on the side of it, you have a QR code, so you'll want to scan that to get the app, and it's called like Spot LED app. And then this is the LED screen. So this one here is a pretty good size. And so I'm just going to connect it up into here. Put this here. It comes with VHB tape, so you can tape this up into your window, into your back window, wherever you want it. But I'm just going to put it here. I'll plug this into here, and you get plenty of, let's see if I can put this in here, plenty of length of wire here to go wherever you want. Let's put this here. And then I'm just plugging it into a battery pack because we're trying it out here in the center of my car. And here we go, 86, 5, something 40. Welcome, boy, that's going fast. Okay, so you can see that. And then I have the app, it's called Spot LED. So I open up the app and then I can click to connect the device. It finds the 8640 device. And now it is connecting. And then I can do stuff. So I could say text, so I could say Uber for Neil. And Uber for Neil. And then it'll say it that way. I can change the different effects, I think, of it. Right now it's set for slide. I don't know. Oh, Uber for, oh, there. I can change the colors. What is this stuff here? Oh, just changing different colors. Oh, here we go. I can change different things here. I can change, I guess, the time. Slide, scroll up, scroll down, scroll to the left. Scroll. Oh, I probably want to scroll to the left. So there. Now it'll say Uber for Neil. So how cool is that? So you can put that in your window. You can put it even the way it's like this. You could just put it on the side window as you're driving up to somewhere, and have it say it on there, so people will see it as you're driving up, and then you can take it down or whatever, because it's totally, a little flexible screen. How sweet is this? I could just wear it. And because I have it with a battery pack, I could totally do something fun for Halloween or whatever too. It lets you do like pictures and all sorts of stuff. I'm just gonna put it right here so you can see it. And then you can do, where was it? If I go back here, I can choose animations. So I could choose an animation. I don't even know what animation I would do. Image, I can allow it access to my pictures. And let me just pick a picture. I don't know, I don't have any real good pictures. I just have pictures of me. I don't think it's gonna work, I don't know. Let's just see what happens when I try to put a video of me. It says the selected single image will be cropped. So, okay. So this is what it's gonna be right there. It'll be my eyes. And let's see if we play it. Let's see what it's doing. Oh, it's sending it right now. So I'm at 50%, 70%, 90, and there it is. So now it's playing that video of me. You can kind of see it here. If you look, that's me. How cool is that? Actually, it's playing a video. And that was just a video of me doing a review, so not a great video. But how cool is this? It's like a whole screen you got going on there. So I'm gonna say this is really awesome, and that's just weird, but if you had a smaller video of something, better, it would definitely be better. You could do it. Animation, I guess here, I could do, all my things are videos for some reason on my screen because I do videos. But let's see what else I could do here if I don't want to do videos. Graffiti, I could just go here and I could go Neil, and then send it to it, and there we go. There's my signature on a LED screen. So this is super awesome. I like this here. So thumbs up for sure. Pick up this if you need to do anything with screens or whatever. You can put it anywhere, connect it up, make it do anything. So totally awesome. Thumbs up.